Welcome. Today I will show you how to keep your Ideapad C340 laptop from sleeping. So to remove the sleeping time when your laptop runs on battery or when it's plugged in to the charging cable, you have to press the start button, then go to the settings. Then here you'll have to select system, then go to power and battery section, and then select screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts tab. And here you'll be able to choose the time when you want your screen to turn off after some time of inactivity. So for example, if you don't want your screen to go off when your PC is plugged in, you just have to select this option and change it to never. You can as you can see, other options have also changed. So our device won't sleep or won't hibernate when plugged in ever. And we can simply change this option by selecting a different one. And we can do the same thing on battery. So just click on this option, change it to never, and your screen will never go dark, and your laptop will never go to sleep when your device is working on battery. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.